Hi, we're going to be going over the cool down for lesson number 16, which was solving systems of equations using elimination. So the cool down says, Lynn and Priya were working on solving this system of equations. 1/3 x plus 2y equals 4 and x plus y equals -3. Lynn's first move is to multiply the first equation by 3. Priya's first move is to multiply the second equation by 2. Explain why either move creates a new equation with the same solutions as the original equation. What's important to note here, guys, is that it doesn't matter what number you choose to multiply by, as long as you multiply each and everything in that equation by that number, the resulting equation is going to have the same solutions as your original equation. So in this case, either student's work would be correct. So question number 1 says, explain why either move creates a new equation with the same solutions as the original equation. Okay, so let's type. Use a text box. Okay, so either method will work. Because it doesn't matter Okay, so you can put this in your own words, but let me just stretch out my text box. Okay, I want to expand it this way. Okay, so you can put this in your own words, but something to the effect of either method will work because it doesn't matter what number you multiply an equation by, it will have the same solutions as the original equation. Okay, and then in part 2, question says, whose first move would you choose to do to solve the system? Explain your reasoning. Guys, it does not matter. It doesn't matter whatsoever whose method you choose. So let's take a closer look at the equations and let's see what would happen in either case. Lynn's move is to multiply the first equation by 3. So what's going to happen if she multiplies that first equation by 3? Let's take a look. Her new equation would be the result of everything here being multiplied by 3. So 3 times 1/3 is just going to be x. And then 3 times plus 2y is going to be plus 6y. And then 3 times 4 is going to equal 12. Okay? And then her second equation is going to stay the same. So it looks like with her method, she can cancel out the x's first. Because if she subtracts the second equation from the top equation, she'll cancel x and solve for y first. Let's look at what would happen under Priya's method. Priya says she's going to leave the first equation alone. So we have 1/3 x plus 2y equals 4. And then her second equation, she's multiplying that by 2. So she's multiplying this equation by 2. Let's see what happens. 2 times x will be 2x. 2 times y would be 2y, and then 2 times negative 3 will be negative 6. So in this case, she is targeting her y's first. So both of them are going to use subtraction, but it's just that Lynn gets to cancel x's first and Priya cancels the y's first. So it really doesn't matter which method you prefer. This is an opinion, and explain your reasoning. I'm going to go with the fact that it really doesn't matter. Okay, by subtracting to cancel one variable and then substitute to find the other. It really doesn't matter whose method I choose, because either way I can use elimination by subtracting to cancel one variable and then substitute. Looks like I have an extra T there. Substitute, there we go, to find the other. Alright guys, hopefully that was helpful to you. I'll see you guys for the next cool down that we go over, or the practice problems. Take care.